Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be on a very quick and easy soft blue cut crease eyeshadow look. If you're wearing a soft blue colored attire, then please give this quick eye makeup look a try. I'll share with you how to get this smoky soft blue cut crease eye makeup in few steps. If you're interested in knowing, please continue watching this tutorial. As my makeup palette, I'm using 4-color palette and picking blue eyeshadow. I'm packing this blue eyeshadow on my outer V. There aren't much eyeshadows that I would be using to get this eye look. It's quick and easy. Move the same on crease. I'm using a flat fluffy brush from pack. Tap and move the brush back and forth to disperse the eyeshadow. Next, to intensify outer V, I'm picking this eyeshadow. Pat on your outer V. Move towards the crease along with outer V. After this, I'm using concealer to cut my crease. I'm using Hilary Ruda concealer. After cleaning your eye, apply white eyeshadow on top of the concealer. I would be keeping the same white eyeshadow on my eye inner, and only on eye mid I would be packing this shimmery blue eyeshadow. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Push it here towards the white to blend it with the white eyeshadow. Next, I would be highlighting my crease line using glitter. Start placing below your crease line. Take a little just on the tip of the brush and begin placing glitter to highlight your crease line using glitter. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. After this, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line. I'm using blue eyeshadow, first eyeshadow. The traces of the eyeshadow should be visible and kajal also should seem smudged. Move the brush back and forth. Next, I'm applying mascara on my upper eyelashes. Intensify your upper and lower lashes well, coating mascara. I'm using Lakme Iconic Mascara. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.